For a while now, I've been seeing videos about Shein and Temu selling the same product, which actually makes sense because we know how these companies are. And that's why in this video, I will be investigating for myself if these two companies are selling the same product. Let's be Sherlock Holmes today. Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tolu. We all know Shimu. This is from Shein and this is from Temu. Before we go into this video, we know how these companies run. We do know, like, it's so obvious, it's out there. We've seen the news, the media, we know it. So we're not gonna go down into that, that area, but keep that in mind, like, because it's just how it is. Like, the companies are, it's just how it is. So I didn't want to go overboard with this video because why am I giving them my money? And that's why we're only going to be reviewing 3 items from them, both. So 3 each. So I don't mix them up. I'm going to be putting their names on it. This is from Temu. And this is from Shein. Yeah. So the first thing that we're reviewing is this women's elegant vintage polka dot patchwork lace skirt. That's from Temu. And then from Shein, vintage polka dot lace skirt, beige base with black dots plus lace hem, romantic vibe for matured women, contrasting polka dot elegant lace please, beach holiday skirt spring. Oh my god. Temu. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. The reason why I'm saying wow is because I wasn't expecting it to be this thick. It's very thick. This is Temu, and then for Shein, I'm gonna try my best not to mix this up. Yeah, there is definitely different. This one is a lot thinner than the Temu one. Oh my goodness. And then the polka dots on the Temu one are small. The one on Shein is bigger.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
And I bought them in the same sizes, by the way. Let me confirm. So for Shein, I got large, yes. So for Temu, yeah, I got large too. So they're both large, but this feels big, like it looks big. And it's so thin, oh my god. The Temu one was $14.58. And for the Shein one, $14.49. So it's like almost the same price. Is like what, a few cents difference, but like you could tell the difference from this. This is thick and it's not see-through. This one on the other hand, the Shein one, is see-through. Like I can literally see my camera right now. Oh, I think this is tight. Oh no, it's perfect. Oh no, it's tight. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Yeah, it's so thick. I love this. If this was what is it called, if it was like thin and too tight like this, it would be a problem. But because it is so thick, I don't even mind it, even though I don't think I want this. But this is so cute. This is really cute. This, I really like it. I like it. I feel like I could make this work if you style it properly, with heels and just like that, with a nice top. I wish it was just a little bit, free on this side. Yeah. Other than that, this is cute. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about, because this one is a little bit thinner. Yeah, not even a little bit, it's very thin. So that's why, because it's too tight, like I don't feel comfortable like the Temu one. And I can't even do that. Oh, it's so thin. I feel like I'm gonna rip this. I feel like I will rip it. Look at that. Even it's not even straight. Or is it because it's not even straight, guys? Look. I don't like it, guys. I don't like it. Okay, To go with our skirts, of course, I got a top, a nice top. This is from SHEIN. This is from Temu. This top is called Suitra Women's Elegance French Style Polka Dot Bow Tie Shoulder Tie Waist Slim. That is from SHEIN. And then from Temu, it says Polka Dot... Guys, this names, bro. Polka dot sleeveless top with elastic waist, ruffled hem, French style, vintage fit, versatile for daily commutes and dates. Pairs well with various bottoms. Okay. $8.52 for Temu and $8.93 for SHEIN. SHEIN packaging. This is SHEIN. Oh, I don't know what's going on in this area, but yeah, this is SHEIN. And this, oh my god. And this is Temu. This is a lot more you know, free. But this for SHEIN, it's too, I don't know, too small. But I'm sure I got the same size also. Okay, for SHEIN, I got the size large again, and also for Temu, I got large. So this one requires a lot of work. You have to put the strap into like a tiny or whatever. Okay. I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm not gonna tie it because it's a lot of work. Oh, okay. This is the back. If I tie, like, there's a lot to do. Like, you have to tie. I'm not doing that, but I like it. I do. Maybe flattering. Maybe because of the way I'm seeing it in the camera, it's not really flattering to my eyes. It's not appealing to my eyes, but I feel like I can make it work. Okay, so this is the SHEIN one. I didn't have to tie anything. But yeah, the way they did it was there is it comes with a, what is this, the shoulder, and then they just attached the rope on the inside, and then you just have to grab the two ropes and make it into a bow, and same thing on the other side. And one thing that I noticed is that, like, this one is more more fitting, yeah, to my body, and it's shorter. The Temu one was a bit longer and like not really flattering, even though this material is like not like thin, but like it's softer. Our last item for the day is this nice dress. I saw this dress and I was like, okay, maybe I'll go for it because I actually liked the picture. I hope it turns out like that. Okay, so for Temu, it's called polka dot print casual party dress, round neck sleeveless maxi dress, suitable for festivals and various occasions, ideal for office, leisure, vacation, shopping, and parties. Whoop whoop. I bought the size large and it was for $25.50. And then for SHEIN, it's called lightweight non-stretch woven patchwork all over print casual party elegant dress, polyester fabric, loose fit, suitable for holidays and occasions in black color. And this one was for also large for $37. That's like $5 something cents higher than the Temu one, so it better be great. So SHEIN, a $30 dress. First off, is it see-through? It is see-through. Yeah, I feel like large was like, I should have sized down. And this is Temu. The material for the oh my god, guys, do you know how many times I'm gonna say I said Shimu today? Like, maybe they're about to get married because I don't know anymore. Anyways, the material from the SHEIN is a little bit thicker than the one from Temu. Yeah, this one is even bigger. Okay, I'm here with the Temu, yeah, the Temu dress. It's not, if you're looking at me like this, you can't really tell that like it's bigger, like it's a little bit bigger for me. But if I do it like this though, look at that, because there is a design here, like this ruffles over here. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a ruffle over here. This ruffles, this part has to be, you know, cinched in for this to actually show its glory. You know what you know what I'm talking about. With it like this, I like it because it's like, you know, giving it that illusion, you know what I'm saying? But like this is just like, what is this? This is the Shein one. Shein one is a little bit cinched, but still they got the ruffles wrong. Like what is going on? But it's not even about the sizing or anything. This is just comparing the two brands together if they're actually selling the same product, which I think they are. They're selling the same thing, or they're getting their inspiration from like each other. You know, they're bouncing off of each other. It's like a two-person comedy show, and like they're bouncing off of each other. That's why I think it's not flattering at all. But anyways, okay, that was a very fun one. Oh my god. It was so fun to see like how similar, like it's so similar. I know that like this one for Shein is shorter, the one for Temu is longer, but come on guys, at least, you know, I just feel like they're taking pictures from like, you know, inspiration from like online, Google, whatever, but they could at least put in more effort. That was why I was so mad about the dresses that I tried. Like, you could at least make it better, you know. I just feel like, yes, they're selling the same thing, they're sharing ideas. They're sharing ideas, and it's so funny because the same picture that you will find on Shein is what you find on Temu. The one you find on Temu is what you find on Shein. The point of the video was to see if they're selling the same thing, and yes, they are. I'm definitely going to be returning all of this, yeah, because though, like, they don't even fit properly, so what's the point? Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Yes, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get to like 50k besties by the end of the year, and I know that we can do it. Please subscribe to this channel. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. This is from Shimu. Why do I keep saying Shimu? Oh my god. 852 for Maybe this should be the title of this video. Shimu.